Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to share your WhatsApp channel link easily with anyone you want. Whether you've just created your own channel or you want to let more people join, this quick guide will help you share your channel link in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so all the new features are available. Once you're in, go to the channel you want to share. This could be your own channel or someone else's that you follow. Tap on that channel to open it. Now, at the top of your screen, you'll see the channel name. Go ahead and tap on it. This takes you to the channel info page where you can find all the details about the channel, including who created it and options to share or report. Next, you'll see the option that says share link. Tap on that. This is the key step. It's what gives you access to the channel's unique link. WhatsApp will now show you a few different ways you can share this link, including direct sharing inside the app. Choose the contact or group you want to share the link with. Maybe you want to send it to a friend who's interested in your updates, or to a group chat where everyone can join the channel too. Once you've selected where you want to send it, just tap send. And that's it. You've successfully shared your WhatsApp channel link. The person or group you sent it to will get the link instantly and they can join with a single tap. This short process makes it super easy to grow your audience or keep people updated with your latest news, projects, or content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might want to learn how to do the same. Thanks for watching.